Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Now I'm going to download for Xbox this year for Surreal. You tap here for your try for to look. This why I'm searching the VCL website for you. I'm like download for the VCL website. The VCL website not a virus and easy to download for the VCL website. This here for VCL website. You click here. This why. Set loading. This here for the website. You scroll on, looking for the title. Drive for export. Click here for the title. And click here for the title. Try for a download. Click here. That's right. This here for website loading, and this here for the tag your mobile, your model to print, and this here for the tag your automatic your operating system and my operating system for Windows 10, and this here for recommended for me driver, and this here for driver package, and if you need change the operating system, you click here. This here for operating system Linux, Windows and Mac. I'm sure for the Linux, and this here for Linux version. You click here. This here for March the Linux version, and this here for the 27 Fedora for 13 13 6 13 7 for Fedora. This here for a new version for Fedora. And if you need change the operating system for the Mac, I'm sure for the Mac, and this here for Mac version, you click here. And this here for not update for the Mac version, and this here for Mac 10 not support your Mac 12, Mac 11, Mac 13. This here for a new version for Mac. This here for not support. And this video I'm need to download driver for Windows and specific. I'm need to download driver for Windows 11, and this here a new version for the Windows, and this here for Windows 10, Windows 7 driver, Windows 8 driver, Windows 8.1 driver, and this here for Windows 7 for your driver. And this video I'm need to download the driver for Windows 11. Select here for Windows 11, and this looking here that release, and this here for a new that release for your Windows 11, and this here for the language English for. And I am recommendation for you download for the package, and this here for universal print driver installation package, and I have recommendation for you. Download here, you click here, and you click here start button. Here for your driver. If you need install driver for the printer, you turn on the power printer, you put cable USB printer to laptop or PC. Laptop or PC protect the USB cable printer, and this one finish driver download. If you finish driver download, you double click here or you click here. You click open, you double click file, you click next, and you finish. This here for the tag automatic here USB cable printer. If you need question, comment below. If you need link below description of it. Thank you for watching. Subscribe my channel. See you bye next time.